Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, welcome back to Finesse Finance. Yes, it's me, Finesse. Okay, and we gonna see how my portfolio is doing. All right, let's step in, man. Waste no time. So today is gonna be a 2-day review because I skipped last Friday, which was the 21st, January 21st, Friday. But it's cool because I'm here now. So I'm gonna tell you about Friday real quick. All right. So let's jump in to Friday real quick, real smoothly. So, yeah, it was interesting. I mean, the whole market on Friday was like really dumping, right? It was really just dumping. People were confused. People were like, yo, what's going on? It's a whole flush. It was a whole market flush. You know what I'm saying? And, I mean, we are definitely in a bear market right now. Okay? That's my bad. Yeah, like I was saying. Sorry about that. But we are definitely in a bear market right now. There is no, like, you can't argue that. You cannot argue that. So, yeah, going back to Friday. I had looked into Boeing, which is an airplane company, right? And it was dumping as well. Now, as you can see right here on TradingView, if we step in, so this was all right here. This is the beginning. This was Thursday. And then right here, this was that Friday where it started, okay? Then it really, you see all these red candles. This is the 5-minute. It started to dump. And so in my head, I'm like, okay, I'm not just going to jump in just real quick, even though that is a strategy as well. But my strategy was let me wait for it to pull back, okay, in which I did. And so it pulled back a little bit, back to 209. And so I was like, oh, yeah, I'm going to hop in, okay? I'm definitely going to hop in. And so I got in around 209. And not going to lie, I chickened out in about... So it went back down. It went down to like 207. Okay? It went down to 207. And so let's look at the actual trade that I got into. So it was a put at the 202.5 strike price. It was a weekly, you know what I'm saying, January. It was really 0 days till expiration, so that same day it was going to expire. And it was only one. And so I got in, I bought it for 25 and sold for 34. So like a $9 profit. So right here, right there, I should have stopped. I should have known my limits. You know, it was a big move. That's a big move, honestly, for this account. It was a big move, and I was like, you know what? I don't know what here's what I was thinking, okay? So when you're in the trading world, you obviously have a community of different traders. And this day, everybody was just seeing, was really having green trades, which I did have a green trade. But I believe that I took profit too early. And that's something that I am trying to work on. But right here, I let it get the best of me. I'm not going to lie. I let it get the best of me. And so I was not, and I mean was not thinking with my brain at all. So I'll tell you. I said, you know what? Let's look at BA again. Let's try to see if we can find another opportunity to make money. Dumb. Should have just sat out. But I was like, yeah, let's see if there's another opportunity for me to make money. So I said, hey, let me try this again. I'm gonna try to wait for the pullback again, because it was going on its way back up. It touched 205, okay, and then it went back up to about 209. Now, my thought process was, hey, this thing is definitely going to touch 205 again. But the question I didn't ask myself was when. Okay, it was dumb of me to think that I was going to touch 205 that same day in that same hour. Okay, it was really dumb of me, which it kind of did at the end of the day. But at the end of the day, your contract is really worth nothing. It's worth shit. So, what had happened was, I believe, I tried to get in. I got in at like 209 for about $20. And honestly, I got up to here and I was like, bro, you're stupid. Okay, you were dumb. I noticed what I did. I noticed the mistake that I did, and so I said, you know what, you have to sell this, man. And so that was a $13 loss right there. Okay, so I went from a $9 gain to a $13 loss, and I was like, damn, you know what? It's okay. We learn from these. We're learning from these mistakes. And so that week was a $7 move week. I mean, at least we're in the green, like I said. That's all I'm worried about right now, okay? So at the end of the day, we had a $7 profit for that week. Well, not a dollar. $1 a day in a week, you know? But I noticed what I did wrong, and so this is what this is for. You know what I'm saying? Don't be me. Please don't be me. Don't make the same mistake that I did. And so, with that being said, we can tune in today on Monday, okay, which is January 24th. And today was really, really cool as well. I'm telling you, man, it's a bear market. Nothing but puts. If you're not doing nothing but puts right now, I'm sorry, okay? Let me tap in. So we looked into Lucid Group, which is a EV, you know what I'm saying, kind of compared to Tesla. But like I said, the whole market is just flushing. It's a whole flush. All right, bears, you're winning right now. So here's what happened. I saw Lucid had a key level at 3506. Okay, that was a key level, and in about, I believe I can honestly say I got in. Well, let me see. Okay. No, yeah. So at the beginning of the day for Lucid, it had dropped, and so I'm, and a lot of times, you guys, you really have to follow the trend because it's dropping for a reason. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm like, okay, cool. If it dropped before, it can drop again, which is true. Well, what goes up must come down. It's the same thing. But and it touched this 3505 type of thing. When it got back up to about, no. Yep. I got in around 3640 and waited. Honestly, I was a little scared, you know what I'm saying? Because obviously I had to wait it out. But you know what I'm saying? It just came. It was just a beauty because it did the same thing that we knew that it was gonna do, and it dropped to that 35 mark, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just stop right here. And it went down even more. So that's why sometimes, you gotta zoom out, because this is on the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, it has a key level or, resistance, or support, sorry. It has a support line at the 3507. But if you go to the hourly, that level changes. That level is actually at 3466, which it also, Lucid, did touch. But I wasn't paying attention to that. I wasn't paying attention to that key level. I only paid attention to the 35, 05. But it's still cool, you know what I'm saying? So if we want to really look at the trade, I had got, let me go to it. Yep. It was a weekly. It was a put, a $29 strike. And it was for 47, sold it for 58. $11 move. Cool. You know what I'm saying? Blessed. And if you look at my, of net liquidity in day trades, the number went up. You're like, well, what happened? I just added more money into it. That's all I did. I added $150 into it. And so I can, just make more. Because with $50, I was kind of rough. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I guess you can. So really, you can basically say we're up $16.80. That's where we're up right now. We're up $16.80. You know, right? Okay, cool. I'm loving it. I'm loving it regardless. And so yeah, that's the update for today. Tune in tomorrow. I'll be dropping another video. Yeah, this is what it was. This is what it is. You know what I'm saying? We're taking baby steps. Obviously, we loving it. We're not rushing anything, ladies and gentlemen. We're not rushing anything. This is strictly for education purposes. I am not your financial advisor, okay? Yet. But that's that, man. Ladies and gentlemen, peace. I'm out, and happy trading.